Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to get Chicken Panda in Find the Pandas. So turn on Sprint, then what you want to do is you want to go over to this area where Paper Panda is. He is high in the sky right now, so we should be able to get on. Yep. No! Okay, well, we need to just wait a while, but, we just need to wait until this goes back down here, then I'll tell the, next step. While we're waiting, please consider subscribing and liking for more content. And it should be, okay, now that we're on, turn off Sprint. It's just like, bro. Now, this actually used to be in the way of Paper Panda, but now they moved it, so it's way easier to get Chicken Panda now. So, you have to, go here and just, like, go really high. Like, until it resets. So, while we, so once we do it, it's kind of fun to, like, jump just to get a head start. Okay, now here's Chicken Panda. And, yeah, that's it for the video. Bye!